How to fix download paused because no network is available, Free Fire error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix game files of Free Fire not downloading due to network not available error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you will need to check for your Wi-Fi. Swipe down from the top right and there you'll find your Wi-Fi settings. Make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi. And also make sure that the internet connection is strong and stable. After that, you can head back here, go to your settings, go to your Wi-Fi, and you can simply turn this off and then turn it back on. After that, if your Wi-Fi or network still does not work, head over to General, scroll down all the way, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset. After you reset, your network issues should be fixed, and then you can go to your App Store, just or inside your Free Fire, and then stop the download once and then start it back up again. And that's it, fix the issue guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.